Question 3 is 3 marks. The question says, solve the simultaneous equations. These are the equations. They are nice. Now, to solve the simultaneous equation, we look at the x's and y's. Clearly, the x's are equal, which is very good. Since they are equal, we can cancel them. Now, how do we cancel 3 and 3? By subtracting them. So we will do minus. So 3x minus 3x is gone. 2y minus 4y is going to be 2y plus 4y, because minus minus makes plus. So it's 6y equals 10 plus 6, 10 minus 16 is negative 6. This is amazing. To find y, divide by 6, divide by 6. This 6 is gone by, so y equals, you see how fancy is this y. What's negative 6 divided by 6? Is negative 1. We got y. That's amazing. Let's find x. How do you find x? We substitute in any of these equations. You can substitute here. You can substitute here, but I will not substitute here. I always avoid the negative numbers. It gets you to get a wrong answer. So if there is a negative number, just avoid it. Let's substitute in this nice, peaceful, positive numbers. So it's 3x plus 2y equals 10. That's good. Now what's the value of y? It's negative 1. So you'll have 3x plus 2 times negative 1 instead of y, because y is negative 1, equals 10. So that 3x minus 2x, 2y, it's not even 2y, it's just 2 times negative 1, isn't it? Yeah, 2. It's 3x minus 2 equals 10. Let's add a nice 2 here, a nice 2 there. This is cancelled. On the left side, you'll just have 3x. 10 plus 2 is 12, and that means x is 4, isn't it? But in the IGCSE, we are begging for marks, so divide by 3, show you're working. So x equals 4. And that's your final answer. How easy was it? 3 marks. Did you get this question? Now let's look at the next